Intel's next-gen Diamond Rapids Xeon X CPUs feature Panther Cove-X P cores designated under Family 19. Intel Diamond Rapids Xeon CPUs to succeed Granite Rapids with a new Family ID and new Panther Cove P core architecture. The task force with the restructuring Family ID for the Intel data center CPUs has finally completed. Our Linux engineers have successfully transitioned to a brand new Family 19 in the latest Linux patch for Linux kernel 6.12. The Granite Rapids appears with a new family model ID suggesting the end of the Family 6. Family 6 has been used for almost all the previous generation Intel processors starting from the Intel Pentium Pro in the 90s. With the restructuring of the family, the Linux engineers are modernizing how the Linux kernel will identify the upcoming Intel processors. The latest patch added to the mailing list, the Intel Xeon Diamond Rapids will be the first series to be considered under Family 19 and will be based on Panther Cove-X cores. Now technically this is the same Panther Cove P core architecture that is featured on the Lunar Lake and Arrow Lake CPUs, but with some optimization geared towards the Xeon server data center segment. That said, the Panther Lake will be the latest series to the end of the Family 6 and model ID as 204. With this transitioning, it's expected that newer CPU families will bring innovation in performance and functionality. This came when there was a recent development around Fred, AVX10 and X6086S. Intel Diamond Rapids processor will use a massive LGA 9324 socket, almost 5 times bigger than the LGA 1700. It will be even bigger than the Granite Rapids, which will utilize the LGA 7229 socket. Much of the specification of the Diamond Rapids are still unknown and Intel is yet to reveal its release date. However, it is expected that the Diamond Rapids will launch between 2025 and 2026 and will compete against the AMD EPYC Venice, not the Turin variant. And if we talk about the processor node, the Diamond Rapids needed to be desired. Platform that they are using will be the Intel Oak Stream, and the core architecture will be based on the Panther Cove-X, and the MCP will be supported. Yes, socket there is no confirmation, but they may use the latest 932024 core or max core count will needed to be decided, as well as the thread count, and M3 L3 cache also needed to be decided, and the memory support up to 16 channel DDR5 but with a big question mark, and the PCIe Gen support will be PCIe 6.0 but still with a big question mark. TDP range will needed to be decided, as well as the 3dx point obtained them, and competition will be against AMD EPYC Venice, not the Turin ones, the current version of the AMD server processors, and the launch will be 2025 to 2026. So that's it for today guys, and I'll see you in the next video guys.